Hi, today we're going to make a yummy dish in the Dutch oven called Al's Spring Chicken. So we've had this chicken marinating for about 2 hours, and what it is it's honey, it's whole grain mustard, olive oil, and we got a lemon and kind of juiced the lemon juice and put it in here. Yeah, look how good that is. So what I'm doing, here I'll show you that, is we're doing a leave no trace. So I have the CampMaid charcoal holder, and I have like, that looks like about 15 or 20 briquettes there. This has been preheating for a minute. Then I have extra briquettes there so when we're ready to start baking. But what we're going to do is we're going to brown this chicken. Was that already open, Jenny? Yep, it was already open. So let's get this chicken in here. Yeah, I have a little olive oil on the bottom of the Dutch oven. But look at that, that's pretty dang cool. But we want to just brown this up and cook it maybe halfway or so, and then it will go to the next step. So let's...
5 or 6 minutes each side.
Yeah, what Jenny said. 5 or 6 minutes each side. So let's just... That'll be okay right there. And then I'll zip this up so we don't leak it all over the campground. Okay, the chickens are cooking up good over there in the Dutch oven. I'm going to start sauteing some mushrooms here. So we have a couple of tablespoons of butter, and then I put a little bit of olive oil in there also. Let's get this going. I dropped one on the ground. Yeah, look at that. We'll just saute these up. Yeah, this is fun. We're in Bryce Canyon. Had a good time. We got here last night. We went in the park today, done some hiking. Good times. It was about 60 towards 70 degrees, depending on where you were at. But yeah, we hiked. My legs can feel it a little bit. Yeah, we'll let them go and get those cooking. Let's walk over here and flip these chickens. That looks pretty cool. So let's flip those. Look, it's like that lemon's giving it like a yellow tint. That looks pretty good. So we'll do that and get them mushrooms going, and we'll see you back. Okay, we're ready to build this Al's Spring Chicken. So the chickens, I've been cooking them for, I don't know, 8 to 10 minutes. They're looking awesome. But I fried up some bacon before we started this. And I'm just gonna lay a piece of bacon on each one of these because bacon makes everything taste better. Yeah, look how good that chicken's sizzling down in there. So we'll do that. Come over here, and here's our mushrooms. So let's put these on here. Maybe I can kind of scoop them and place them. We'll be able to get it out of there. If I get it pretty much on the top. Yeah, it smells so good. Yeah, look at that. So there's the mushrooms. And we have some provolone cheese. I'm just going to lay on the top of each one of these. And what we're going to do is we're going to cook this once I get this all built at around 400 degrees for like 20 minutes or so. And we'll check and see how it's doing at that point. See, there's my extra briquettes. We got to adjust the coals here to get this bacon because there's a lot of briquettes on the bottom. And then I have some purple onion and some shallots. Yummy.
Those are green onions and shallots.
Oh, green onions and shallots. They look purple to me.
That's the shallot that looks purple.
Okay. Cool. What do I know? I guess I should have cut them up, then I would have known the color of what's going on. Here we go. So let's get the lid on. That looks pretty dang good. So I'm gonna get the lid on, and then I'm gonna set the Dutch oven there because we're gonna adjust this heat. So for 400 degrees on the 10-inch Dutch oven, we only need 8 briquettes. They've been burning for a little bit, so I think I'll leave 10. Go like that. There's 5. We'll leave 5 on each side, like that. Make sure the leg's on there. Let's see, it's hooking. There we go. And then we'll do 16 on top. So I'll get 16 on top, and we'll see you back here in a little bit to check it in about 20 minutes or so. Okay, 15 minutes passed. We figured we better check it. So we checked it. It's up to temperature. It looks beautiful, but check this out. Whoa, that is so cool. Yummy. Let me grab a plate. We have a little bit of wedge salad here, some homemade blue cheese. Let me get this. Look at that. Yummy. I'm just going to leave the lid off. And let's go over here and see how this is. Yeah. It's homemade wedge salad. Let me taste a little bit of this. We have our campfire going there. We're going to take the long way home tomorrow. So it's always fun to take the long way home. This is bacon. I hear my timer in there. Like boing. Oh, look at that chicken. Yummy. This is so good.
Perfect.
I set a timer for 20 minutes and we're 5 minutes early, but now it's going off. It's in the cabin like boing, boing. It's still hot. Jenny told me not to eat it while it was hot. Okay. I'm about ready to talk. This is so good. The flavor is awesome. Yeah, good times in the outdoors. Make adventures. Go have fun. I hope you like this video. We'll see you next time.